This is going to the, I believe, the regulator. It's like a little box up front. And these wires going to my CDI. It's going to the, I believe, two of these wires are going to the ignition switch. I believe this is going to the light. Forgot where this little wire go to. I know where it go to, but well, no, these go to the lights right here in the front light, and this go to the handlebar switch. And this goes to the back, all the way to the filter and the back lights. I had to just take everything off because the guy that I bought the blaster from had everything just jumbled up and messed up. So I just had to look. He had the torch deleted. It looked like he got all the wires from the torch off. So just trying to make sure I'm not missing any wires. But so far, it looks like I got all my wires. Everything that needs to get a spark or something.